Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to the news antiphons in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya ad hoc teachers take to streets of Shillong to demand pay hike and upgradation to deficit system. Apollo Hospitals and Meghalaya Directorate of Health Services and Family Welfare will provide free treatment to children with cardiac diseases. And Meghalaya Games 2022 will be held from 2nd to 7th May 2022 at Sai Campus, Nehu. Thousands of ad hoc teachers under the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya took to the streets of Shillong to protest against the adamant attitude of the state government pertaining to the demand of enhancement of their salaries and for upgradation to the deficit system. The rally started from Malki ground till MBO's office via Lashmere, where they were stopped by police and district administration from rushing to the main secretariat. While leaders of the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya were discussing with district administration and police personnel, hundreds of ad hoc teachers cornered the main entrance of Meghalaya Secretariat with banners and placards condemning the state government for not fulfilling their demands.
Government hi kadang lekai kunjing lekai kan yangi haduk mentang kapan por kumni kumtai ti ni ya be syahmat ba kani ka agitation process ka bangidon kani ka por kampat kut bat ni ngimpat hun ya kata ka jing ya kendu ya kini ki ofisa sarkar ngimpat ya kendu ya u education minister badai u lakman rumboy ngimpat kendu ya u chief minister ru ti kumta ka meeting ni ka bangidon ni kamlong fruitful ARUM tingimdan ngimyo yaw tauso bangihon but kanika ayu kan nang ya chakmat
ka ada kecing tho na kaliang jong ka sulkan namar beli namar ba habangi lasha ban khat ban ikran ka jingmut kecing ka long ba ngimyo kin yo so jong kecing kan du jungi tin re ka basusi menta ka long namar ba kecing kan du jungi ka long bakam tu ni ni laya sign hang tu ya ka jengdan jongi hang tu hari ka bas ngolong ka long bangim tip ya ka decision ya ka jing ikut mar kata ka jing ikut kalong hasui.
The Department of Pediatric Cardiology and Pediatric Cardiac Surgery of Apollo Children's Hospital, Chennai and Apollo Hospital, Guwahati is joining hands with the Directorate of Health Services and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya to reach out to poor children requiring life-saving heart surgery. Speaking to the media at Hotel Majestic in Shillong, the head of the Department of Pediatric Interventional Cardiology, Dr. C.S. Muthu Kumaran, who addressed the press conference along with the unit head of Apollo Hospital, Guwahati, said the program is now being extended to Meghalaya. Dr. Muthu Kumaran also informed that under this program, free cardiac screening camp would be conducted for children of the age of 0 to 16 years suffering from cardiac issues causing breathlessness, loss of appetite, excessive sweating, failure to gain weight, body turning bluish, shivering, would be conducted once every 2 months. Dr. Muthu Kumaran informed that from the screening, 15 cardiac children patients have been identified and 3 simple cases will be treated at Apollo Hospital, Guwahati, and the rest will be treated at Apollo Hospital, Chennai.
Done and Guwahati, if there is a complex lesion, be taken to Chennai. The government will support us by transporting the children to either Guwahati or Chennai. We take care of the stay and food in Chennai or Guwahati and send them back. The mission is to help them free of cost. Doing this world-class interventions. Some cases can be done without surgery, without opening the heart. We can fix the heart problem with like going to groin, like angiogram method, putting a small plug or opening the valve by an angio method. And by open heart surgery, we cure the complex heart surgery also. So once we identify, we segregate into 2 groups. Most of the children can be done in Guwahati, and complex surgeries can be taken to Chennai. And that's the plan. And we will come every month for a free camp with the government, not only in Shillong, in other areas in Meghalaya also, so that we can cover all these patients who have a heart disease.
Meghalaya State Olympic Association will hold the Meghalaya Games 2022 from May 2nd to 7th, 2022 at Sai Campus, Nehu. Speaking to the media person, General Secretary of Meghalaya Sports Olympic Association, Finally El Pariat, said the Meghalaya Games 2022 will be a mega sports event and have included 5 more disciplines from the last such event held in 2014. Around 2,677 athletes have registered from different state associations, 296 coaches and managers, 358 technical volunteers, and the budget for the Meghalaya Games is 2.23 crore rupees. He further said that the Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma, is the chief patron for the Games.
And on the departure will be on the 7th. The closing opening ceremony will be done in ground number 1 and the ground number 1 Shillong Sports, and the closing ceremony at the side campus in Nehu. This is a very big mega event. We have included more than 5 new disciplines to the last done in 14. We have 2,677 athletes as registered by the different state association, 296 coaches and managers, 358 technical officials, 380 volunteers, and the budget given to us by the government is 2.23 crores.
Association, ngidon sendai tu di dingil kai, di disiplin segi mengilek ada tu ndio tu kumbe, haki jaga gua fair, nilai kita ikut siapa yang tu nggak tolot, hari ni lah football, hari ni lah tenis, hari ni lah atletik, hari buat komputer, nang tu ayo baru kau ban report back in the police nang dia. Ke timing in Sahadian telah confirm terawan dia sustain repair. Lapun saya mentabak opening ceremony kan long ground number 1 yang Shillong Sports Association hak atletik ya kapor. Atletik ya kapor ni sepentip kasih orang kerja like yang chief guest dengi. But the closing kan long hak new trade.
Real side.
Okay. But iwi jeng long kumbang ile aka baladet subhab simnya ki report berokot ngin syong office sang po den complex tenang tu kumbang ile last time na yu itambah nang mentakan ke office kan chef no stage po cafeteria nang tu nya kan du itu mana kejadian dia. The rest I will hand over to Bajan, please continue on.
The traffic arrangement in and around Madanhe Maulai Putmori area is being made by the Shillong Traffic Police in the interest of public convenience and to free flow of vehicular movement during the state funeral of late J.D. Rimbai, former Chief Minister and Speaker of Meghalaya, on the 23rd April 2022, as the same shall be attended by various dignitaries including general public. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.